Welcome to Seatbelt Restore. We offer custom color seatbelts, a webbing replacement service for your existing seatbelts. Transform the interior of any car with this fast and affordable upgrade. We have seatbelts in virtually all colors: red, yellow, blue, green, purple, orange, turquoise, pink, and more. We also replace frayed seatbelts, worn-out seatbelts, dog-chewed seatbelts, and restore classic car seatbelts. To get started, first step, place the order online at seatbeltrestore.com. Be sure to select your color and check out. Step 2, remove and mail in your seatbelts to us. Step 3 is all us. We'll replace the webbing color of your choice in 24 hours and ship it right back to you, ready to be installed. It's that easy. Get custom color seatbelts now, only at seatbeltrestore.com.